So here's how to optimize your Shopify store for mobile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify mobile account. After that, here you have to choose a mobile responsive theme to ensure that your current theme is optimized for mobile devices. This ensures that your store adopts and looks good on various screen sizes. Another important thing is that you have to keep your design clean and simple to enhance mobile navigation, avoid clutter and ensure easy access to key elements like menus, search bars and call to action buttons. Here you have to also make sure that you have used compressed and appropriate size image to reduce loading times on mobile devices. Use legible fonts that are easy to read on smaller screens. Avoid using small font sizes. You also have to streamline the checkout process. Simplify the checkout process to minimize friction and make it easier for customers to complete purchases on mobile devices. After that, you have to test the loading speed of your site. Ensure fast loading times on mobile by optimizing images, reducing unnecessary scripts and using caching. Don't forget to use mobile-friendly navigation. Create a user-friendly navigation menu that is easy to access and use on mobile devices. Make sure that buttons and interactive elements are large enough and spaced properly to accommodate touch interactions. Avoid intrusive pop-ups that may hinder the mobile shopping experience. Regularly test your store on different mobile devices and browse it to identify any issues and make necessary improvements. By following these optimization strategies, you can enhance the mobile shopping experience and increase conversions on your Shopify store. So that's how to optimize Shopify for mobile.